Hey builders, in this video we're going to use Bolt and Pica to create a blog content management system that's powered by a Notion database. Let's get right into it. We're going to start off by using Bolt to create our blog UI with static data. Great, now that we've got that built out, let's go ahead and create our database in Notion. We're going to create our database using the sample document hub template. Let's go ahead and rename the fields. We'll call this name. We'll add a new field for image as well. It'll be files and media. And let's go ahead and upload some images. We can see that each entry on our database is a page with content in it. Now the next step is going to be to make a connection in Pica. You can head on over to the Pica dashboard at app.picaos.com. Simply click the Add Connection button and search for Notion. Now it's important that when you connect, you make sure to give access to the page you created in Notion. We called it Document Hub. And let's go ahead and allow access. Now that we've got Notion connected, the next step is going to be to go into BuildKit and create the prompt we need to give Bolt to be able to actually execute actions on behalf of Notion. I'm going to tell BuildKit I want to be able to retrieve a Notion database, get all the items within it, and then retrieve block children from that Notion page. Let's go ahead and grab our Notion database ID. If you go into the Notion page and copy the URL, the database is the part right after the workspace. Let's go ahead and copy that prompt and head back into our Bolt app. Let's go ahead and describe the feature we want to build, and then paste in BuildKit so Bolt knows how to use Notion. Great, now let's go ahead and add the missing secrets to our Bolt Edge function. You can grab your Pica secret key from the Pica dashboard under API keys, and you can copy your Notion connection key from the connected integrations table. And now, just like that, you've got a blog that's fully managed through Notion. Happy building!